OpenGL ES for supporting 3D graphics. OpenGL ES is a standard which is used for 3D purposes. Both iOS as well as Android use OpenGL ES for 3D purposes. Okay? Now, OpenGL itself is a whole big animal in its own right. So if you need to use OpenGL, you need to learn OpenGL language. And then you need to know how to manipulate things on the screen and so on. I am no graphics expert, so I cannot really explain OpenGL to you. If you have taken a graphics course, then you would have encountered OpenGL in that course. Anybody has taken a graphics course before? Did you learn OpenGL? Okay. So you know more than I do. Okay. So, my interest in referring to OpenGL and 3D graphics here is primarily to tell you how to make use of it in Android. Okay? I'll also give you some more thoughts about it after we are done. So 3D graphics in Android is again supported through OpenGL. There is another one called RenderScript, which allows you native level high performance 3D support if you want really high performance three-dimensional graphics to be done and so on. RenderScript is another way of working around it. And then there is something called Android NDK, which you can use to run code directly on the hardware for certain aspects and so on. It is fairly complicated beyond the reach of this particular course, so I don't venture in that direction in this course. Basic idea of how you can make use of OpenGL within your application. Again, you write a custom view subclass. We have already seen the use of custom view, as you saw in case of the draw view example for the Balls game. Draw view extending the view class or the surface view class. Here for OpenGL, we have a surface called as GLSurfaceView. That's the one that you will subclass and make use of for 3D graphics. So you obtain a handle for an OpenGL context, which gives you access to OpenGL functionality. So the basic approach for using OpenGL in Android is similar to the use of Surface View in 2D, but instead you make use of OpenGL 3D library in order to control things. Now this can be done by using GLSurfaceView class. This, again, you simply extend the GLSurfaceView class, and the GLSurfaceView class will have certain callbacks to be implemented, so you need to implement those things. So this class provides the glue code to connect OpenGL to the Android view system. So that way, you're able to do OpenGL code and then reflect it onto the screen in there. And it also provides a glue code to make OpenGL work with the activity lifecycle of Android application. So for example, when you do pause an activity because of any reason, the application should appropriately deal with it and so on. And all these features are provided by GLSurfaceView. Okay? And again, as you see, the GLSurfaceView renderer interface has three methods: on surface created, on surface changed, and the third method is on draw frame method. Okay? These two are somewhat similar to the previous ones with some minor changes, and on draw frame.